When I was a little boy in Les Cayes, Haiti, there was a melody that lifted my soul far beyond the horizon. The beautiful sound of African guitars. Every Sunday on 57 Prosper 4th Street, Father Ledans tuned his radio to Voice of America. The music drifted through our neighborhood. I gently closed my eyes and quietly prayed, Lord, one day allow me to see that land. I never imagined that Africa would become more than a childhood dream. One day it would become part of my family. God had another plan for my life by marrying a wonderful woman from Yaoundé, Cameroon. He was already embracing me as one of Africa's own children. Then came that unforgettable journey. We traveled with our children to introduce them to their grandparents. The moment our airplane touched African soil, I wasn't simply arriving in another country. I was reconnecting with a forgotten piece of my own heart. Benin, your welcoming spirit, your joyful smiles, your rich traditions opened the doorway back to millions of descendants whose ancestors crossed the Atlantic to Haiti during slavery. That day I understood, some journeys don't discover a country, they rediscover family. To every son and daughter of Benin, pause for just one moment. Can you already hear the market vendors calling your name? Motorcycles weaving through busy streets, neighbors greeting each other, children laughing after school, the aroma of food shared with family. And suddenly, you're no longer in France, Nigeria, the United States, Canada, Belgium, Italy, Germany, or the United Kingdom. You've already returned home. Tim Tim that life. Home Tim Tim that life. Benin forever. Your name lives forever inside our hearts. For those waking beneath Africa's morning sun, and those watching distant horizons while dreaming of home. Today I simply ask God, grant me help, grant me the strength to bring the Konpa of my childhood to Benin and to every one of Africa's 54 nations, because our melodies have always danced within the very same soul. Benin forever. I love you. I arrived carrying the Konpa that shaped my childhood. Then I discovered its heartbeat was already dancing beside the unforgettable rhythm of Tchink System. Different languages, shared emotions, different shores, one African family. Music reminds us that oceans may separate continents, but they never separate hearts. To every Beninese living in France, Nigeria, the United States, Canada, Belgium, Italy, Germany, and the United Kingdom, wherever the green, yellow, and red flag proudly waves, this melody belongs to you, because you can leave Benin, but Benin will never leave your heart. Cotonou, where tomorrow begins. Porto-Novo, guardian of timeless heritage. Paraco, crossroads of hope. Abomey, where kings still inspire generations. Natiringo, embraced by breathtaking landscapes. Ouida, where memory meets the sea. Jugu, home of resilient hearts. Oikon, alive with everyday happiness. Every city sings its own melody. Every village protects a precious memory. Every citizen of Benin carries a living piece of the homeland within. Tim Tim that life. When winter becomes long, when nostalgia quietly calls your name, you turn to the beautiful sounds of Africa. Tchink System, Sukus, High Life, Makosa, Bikutsi, Afrobeat, Amapiano, and finally, Konpa. Then a gentle voice whispers, my child, wherever life may lead you, we'll always live inside your heart. When I was a young boy, I dreamed of hearing Africa's guitars. Today, God allowed me to hear them, to embrace them, to live them. Now it is my turn to share the gift that unites Africa, the Konpa of Tintin.life.